Well, we're about to get a break from this dangerous heat, but now all eyes are on ELSA and the storm's potential impacts to our region. And Kate, you have some brand new information. Now, a tropical storm warning in effect. So which areas are going to be impacted by this?
Well, Jessica, the areas that are under the tropical storm warning are the counties that you see shaded in red here. So we had a tropical storm warning for coastal waters. That warning has now been expanded to include a couple of our shore counties. Cape May County, including Sea Isle City, Wildwood, Cape May Courthouse, Woodbine, and also Sussex County, Delaware, which includes the Delaware beaches. So this basically means that conditions could start to deteriorate within 24 hours. We usually see a watch issued maybe a day or two before the event happens. Within 24 hours, that would be upgraded to a warning. So these are the areas that are in the warning zone right now, an indication that by this time tomorrow, we will likely be seeing tropical storm force winds and very heavy rain in that warning area. I do expect that most of our shore points will eventually be in a warning and not a watch as we go through the overnight hours, and that gets updated. But for now, Cape May County and Sussex County, Delaware, in a tropical storm warning for tomorrow night. Current conditions, meantime, it is pretty quiet outside. It's very warm. It's very steamy. It was another day of dangerous heat. Still hot right now. 83 in Philadelphia, also in Reading, 82 in Allentown, and 82 degrees in Trenton. The storm threat, though, really has missed us to the north and west tonight. You can see we had a lot of severe weather. In fact, severe thunderstorm warnings across New York State. As we zoom in, you can see there's really not much going on. A couple of showers and storms in the Poconos, but we kind of dodged this threat as most of those storms stayed to the north and west here tonight. Storm Scan 3, though, shows, of course, our next threat, and that is ELSA moving into South Carolina and headed up the eastern seaboard. So tonight, any of those scattered thunder showers and showers in the Poconos are ending. Patchy fog, a warm night at 73 degrees. Tomorrow starts off relatively quiet, partly sunny. It'll be warm and steamy at 88. Showers and storms possible really at any time, but it's especially as we head into the evening as we await the arrival of ELSA that we'll start to see storms break out. And we now also have a flash flood watch for the entire area starting at 5 p.m. tomorrow and continuing until noon on Friday. That is because of the rain from ELSA. It could come down so heavily over a short period of time that it will lead to the risk for flash flooding across much of the area. So let's time this out. Tomorrow morning, again, not too bad. A couple of showers here and there. But then as we head into about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow night, that's when some of these outer bands really start to move through. And I am concerned that there could be some severe storms embedded within these outer bands. By about this time tomorrow night, that's when the heaviest rain from ELSA, you can see Cape May County and Sussex County. That's why they're in that 24-hour warning zone. That's when the heaviest rain is going to start to move in. The worst of it is probably overnight between about 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. Pockets of intense rainfall as well as those strong howling winds along the coast. There's the center of ELSA. The heaviest rain, though, by about 8 a.m. is already moving out, and we will start to dry out. So windy in the city and suburbs with periods of heavy rain. The heaviest rain looks to fall across inland South Jersey and Delaware, up to 3 inches, possibly even higher amounts with isolated flash flooding. And down the shore, that's the tropical storm force wind gusts, coastal flooding, beach erosion, and of course the threat for street flooding as well when you couple the coastal flooding with the heavy rain. So the worst of it overnight tomorrow night into Friday morning. We will be with you as that system comes into the region tomorrow. And then luckily it does move out and it does dry out, a much nicer start to the upcoming weekend. Yuki, back over to you.
All right, getting ready, Kate. Thank you.